We're working with a homeowner who has a 2019 shingle roof that he's replacing today, and he's upgrading to a 24 gauge standing seam metal roof. This roof was recently hit by hail last April, and it caused damage to a 7-year-old roof. And he's just tired of having to work with shingle roofs. And that's one of the downfalls when you have a shingle roof, is that it's prone to hail, and it's not gonna be able to withstand a severe storm that has big hail. And this roof wasn't able to withstand that. That's pretty rare for a 7-year-old roof. So the homeowner, after having the roof already being replaced in 2019 once, this is the second time he's being replaced. He had to contemplate if he wanted to go back with shingle or upgrade to a metal roof, and he decided that he no longer wanted to have to re-roof this roof again in the near future. We're seeing that shingle roofs are only lasting about 15 to 20 years in the Florida market, just due to the rain and the sun. These shingle roofs are taking a beating. So this customer was, just fed up with dealing with the shingle roof and having to replace it again, knowing that he'd have to replace this roof again in the next 15 years. He decided that the standing seam roof was the way to go. So he's gonna be getting a 24 gauge, 1-inch snap lock standing seam system. This roof is gonna last him well over 25, 30 years. And he's excited that he's not gonna have to worry about this roof in the near future. And that's one of the biggest reasons why our customers are shifting from shingle to metal, is that you're basically skipping your next re-roof and not having to do it in 15 years. And something you can worry about 30 years down the road. So this roof's gonna turn out great. It's a 24 gauge Galvalume metal ops roof. We're excited to see how this one turns out for this customer.